Alright, so here is another program where we'll be dealing with arrays and loops, for loops and while loops in this program. This one's called Fundraiser. Basically what Fundraiser is going to be about is 4 different school grades where we donate a certain amount of money and it will append to each grade, and the grade that donates the most becomes the trophy winner. Alright, to get started, let's look at the variables here, as they always give a good idea of what the program's going to look like. So we have this constant integer number variable called end, where we assigned 999. This is going to be a Sentinel value. It'll be used to escape the while loop. Then some constant numbers again. Then we got an array where we initialize values in a zeroed out array. Got a couple blank integers. And let's see what we're going to do with them. Okay, so first bit of code is going to just output some stuff. So a string saying 1 through 4 is what you should enter in for your grade. Otherwise, click that to end. And then we're going to input something into your grade, which is subject to the user input. This will drag us into our while loop. So whatever you entered in is not equal to end, not that, we'll go into the loop. We'll throw a string, enter money for, contributor, your grade. Let's just say you put in 4. Well, we're subtracting 4. Well, we're going to do a -1 to adhere to array indexes. Because if we type in 4, because as it counts from 0 to 3, you'd want to do -1, so you get 3 and not 4. Then X stores any money amount from the user input. Then it'll start appending to the donation index associated with the same index as the grade. And X will be the quantity appending to that array element index. Okay, and then down here, do another string. It'll pretty much more or less tell you to do this again, and it'll continue doing this, and you won't escape the while loop until you press end, as this will keep doing it unless it's not end. Alright, next got another, well, not another, but a new for loop. So this creates a loop from contributors run through 4, which represents grade level, and donation equals amount. So we're running through a loop. So contributor, so whatever grade level, donated, and this quantity. And this is the appended quantity, so this will be the bigger number, the total number, I should say. Okay, so here we're going to do another for loop. This filters out the quantity that is the greatest. And before this, I had a weird if-else thing going on where I was comparing each index to the other, and now it's just a bit long-winded. This for loop is better for long-term usability in case you get more grades or whatnot. Then you get this nice compact code. Basically what it's going to do is they'll cycle through where winner starts off at 0 but replaces with the donation quantity of each index as it runs through the loop. Then down on this winner variable, the largest one will remain. So let's say 1 or 0, index 0 bigger than 0, of course it will be, so whatever amount will be there. We'll go to 2, we'll go to 1, the second index bigger than the first index, maybe not, we don't know, but if it is, it'll fall there. Otherwise we'll continue going on until we hit the constant num. Okay, and then this will be the connection to state the grade level to the winner. So then if the donation amount is equal to the winner, so of our grade levels of our appended number, if whatever amount was matches this, we'll say the winner is the contributor, which would have been 1 through 4 somewhere. But yeah, I know this works. It's a little bit much though, because we're utilizing more than one array, which is kind of weird, but it works. So here we got to enter a grade level. Let's go to first grade. Enter the $1,000. Second grade, $2,000. Third grade, $3,000, because each grade you go, they have an extra $1,000 there. Don't know why. $4,000. Let's go first grade, and you get a smidgen more. That's $1,500 there. And I'm done donating. We're out of money. $9.99. So it did append to the donation array associated with him. The winner is 4 because they had the biggest donation, and it works. Something you gotta watch out for, if I were to say a grade 6, is gonna pull some trash value, because if we type in 6, we're gonna say contributor 6 minus 1 makes array index 5, which has never been declared. So you get this typical junk value. I could better refine this with some error handling. 1 through and maybe yeah. But for its purposes, it does work, as donation will take the quantity, grade will accept, or the contributor will accept one of the grade values, winner works out, everything here works out, Sentinel value, all that works out. So yeah, really spunky program here.